All right, today we are gonna open up some remote controllers and see what we got inside them. All right, let's start with this. See if we have any screw around. Since we don't have any screw, so I'll apply some brute force. Again, this is not a proper way to open up if you wanna do a repair or something, but since our intention is just to see what we got inside, it's okay. This is a small board. Okay, let's put it over here. And, I think. Now, let's do this. No battery in it. Do we have any screw? No. Again, if you are gonna do a repair, don't do it this way, okay? This is just open it up and show the inside, okay? So I don't care if they get damaged or broken, really, you know. Just to show you. Let's worry about that. Since we got 4 screws over here, when you are opening an item, sometimes there are screws hidden under labels, all kind of stuff. So you have to be a little bit watchful around and see if you got something else somewhere that's holding it. We might have something over here too. Yeah, I knew it. You see it? The others, we didn't have any, but on this one, we got 8 screws. And these are a very small one. Now I think we're good now. I think. Haha. Nice. Whew. More to go. Lay that over here too. It's a tiny screw. Let me see. Haha. Man, this turned out to be a relatively sophisticated remote. Too many screws, and there's a nice board in it. See? See that? Haha. Nice, nice. Okay. I think this should be coming out. Yeah. Even this is coming out too, but let's just keep it intact for the time being. Oh, this piece is also, you see that? It's coming out. Let us not do any further on it. Okay. And the whole objective is to see the inside of a remote. And there are so many kinds of, you see that? The keyboard, nice, man. Nice design, nice arrangement, I love it. One more to go. Let me just clean up here a little bit. And one to go. So now we are seeing 4 different remotes with their insides. So hopefully this will give us some idea what we can see inside remote controllers. Time to say we are done.